1989 Ford Mustang convertible, 5-liter, automatic, 4,000 miles. Let's take it for a test drive. I almost feel bad about driving this car, almost. We have a 1989 Ford Mustang convertible, and it is a 4,301 actual miles, which is absolutely unheard of for any Fox body of any kind. So a 4,000 mile car, and as you'd expect, it is like new front to back. It has its original 5-liter, runs great, AOD automatic overdrive transmission, power steering, power disc brakes, factory heat and AC. The AC has been converted to R134A, blows nice and cold, the heat blows hot. And this is a 4,000 mile car. It does everything you'd want a 4,000 mile car to do. It's about as new as you're gonna find for any Fox body. Runs, drives, stops and steers like a brand new car. As far as the interior goes, it is code PD, which is your Scarlet red interior. Seat covers are like new, upper and lower dash looks brand new. Visors are great, gauge cluster's great, steering wheel looks like a brand new one. Console's awesome, ashtray door opens and closes properly. Same thing with the console and the glove box. No issues of any kind. You do have your wheel lock in the glove box over there. Back seat does not look like anyone has ever sat in it. You have your power top switch, which works. You have your cruise control, which we will kick on. Works like it should. Carpet, floor mats, door panels. Really, it's almost freaky how clean this car is. No real wear items of any kind on the interior here. As far as the does it work section goes, everything is set up on this one to work. Lights, gauges, horn, wipers, radio, heat, AC, parking brake, all of that stuff is functioning properly. And I got a little sun here today, so I'm gonna kick my AC on and get a little more comfortable while we're driving. But everything does work on this car. You will find a screenshot of the does it work section. It'll be in the additional media section on the website, pcclassiccars.com. How you're gonna find that is click on the inventory tab, click on this vehicle within the inventory, scroll to the very bottom of the page, and you'll see that additional media section there, which has got all the goodies. The Carfax is clean. We also have a copy of the original window sticker. I don't have the original one, but I have a copy of it, and you'll see that in that tab as well. We are warmed up good, so we'll go ahead and get in the throttle here. Still retains all of its original exhaust from the front all the way to the back. I know it would be sacrilegious to put some Flowmasters on here, but you could unbolt the original exhaust and put some Flowmasters on, get a little bit more sound out of it if you want to, but this is a collector grade car, so leaving it as bone stock as possible is probably for the best. Underneath is great, no issues of any kind, represents like a new car underneath there. Floors, frame rails, everything's awesome. On the exterior, it is the Scarlet red exterior, it is original paint. You have a few very minor stone chips on the hood, a couple other little nicks around the car. You'll see photos of that in the additional media tab as well, again on the website, pcclassiccars.com. Wheels are in nice shape, good tires, power top looks great, goes up and down like it should. You have the convertible boot as well. Doors open and close properly. Hood and deck lid also open correctly. You have all of your VIN tags all the way around the car. You'll see photos of that in the additional media section as well. Door tag is where it needs to be. The paint quality is great. Again, you have those little imperfections, but it shows damn near almost new. It's a super clean car. This car had to have been just bought from the showroom and kept in a climate controlled garage because of how nice it is on the exterior. The same thing with the interior. It's freaky driving this car because it's like a brand new one. We do so many Fox bodies here at PC Classic Cars that getting one like this is like a time capsule. It's pretty crazy. Downshifts like it should when you get into the throttle a little bit more. All of your gauges are reading properly. Getting on the brakes a little heavier here. The brake pedal feels good. Stops it true. All of your suspension is factory equipment. All looks like it's from when this car was brand new. Nothing's been messed with. Suspension is tight, no squeaks, no rattles, doesn't pull you left, doesn't pull you right. There's that downshift again, pulls hard. 5 liter sounds good. Inside the car here, the driving position is super comfortable. The seat feels good. The seat foam is not broken down at all. You have your console, the way that the shifter is set up being an automatic. I always drive with my left hand on the steering wheel and the right hand on the console, so it's a comfortable car to drive. Glass is in great condition. One tiny little nick in the windshield, but it's minuscule. Back glass in the convertible top is easy to see out of. Rear view mirror is clear with no hazy spots. Mirrors look good on the left and right. Power windows, power locks, all that checks out like it should. You have your power mirror switch over here as well. Get a little bit of wind noise from the top of the window. Obviously it's a convertible, you're gonna have that no matter what, but it's minimal. Still have a little bit of moisture out here today, so obviously we'll get the car cleaned up, washed top and bottom so it's nice and clean for the next owner. When you pop the deck lid in the back, inside the trunk, looks like brand new. Has the factory carpet back there, have your spare. Nothing's been messed with, doesn't look like the spare's been out of the car. And then same thing when you pop the hood. It's probably my favorite thing about it is how stock and OE it is under the hood. It is the original numbers matching 5-liter. Fluids look good, belts, hoses, wiring, nothing's been messed with. It all looks very clean. One thing I forgot to touch on the pre-90 cars, you have the tilt. Tilt's always a nice add-on. Gives you a little bit more room to get in and out. Obviously when you went to 90, you didn't have the tilt anymore. What's a nice thing on the earlier cars? Outside of the tiny little nicks in the paint, there is nothing to complain about this car. It is something for someone to buy, put in their collection, or if you want to drive it, you can. But it's doing nothing but increasing in value being a sub 5,000 mile Fox body. Do I wish it was a 5-speed GT or a 5-speed coupe? Yes. But being a red-on-red automatic convertible with 4,300 miles, it's still nothing to turn your nose up at. It's a collector-grade Mustang. There you guys have it. As always, I'm Michael. This is a 1989 Ford Mustang convertible with 4,308 miles. From myself and everybody else here at PC Classic Cars, we appreciate y'all stopping in to watch another one of our test drive videos. Make sure you check out that additional media section on the website, pcclassiccars.com. Check out the content we're posting across all of our social platforms, and we'll catch you guys on the next video.